Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable suggesting an app link when creating a quick note in the Notes on iPhone. Today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open Settings, swipe down, and then tap on Notes. Once you're here, you want to swipe down again, and below the viewing section and the app links, you have the option called Suggest App Link when composing Quick Note. So now, if it's green, it is enabled. Now it is disabled. So just by clicking, you can enable or disable this option as you want to. So I'm going to leave it off because I don't want to have this feature on. It's up to you. What do you prefer? So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.